Respected President of IVPA, Professor Devagowda sir, Honorable Office Bearers of the IVPA Executive Committee, my senior and fellow veterinarians, representatives from KPFDA, USEC, CLEFMA, INFA, PVF, Department of AHVS, and IAH and VB. Honorable speakers of the day, ladies and gentlemen. With great humility and a bit of discomfort, I am accepting the award given to me today. The discomfort is because of the fact that there are many other senior veterinarians who are much more deserving this award than me. Dr. Harshakumar Shetty, Dr. Vidyasagar Punja, Dr. Sushant Rai, Dr. Gopal Reddy, to name a few. And IVPA has a policy that it usually avoids selecting its own members who are there on the board of either IVPA or KPFDA to be politically correct. So that is how probably my number has come up, it seems. I'm a very simple and down-to-earth person. Nothing about me is original. Everything I am is the combined effort of the people I have known. And apart from the parents who slept hungry but given me a very good education, there is one name which I would like to spell out with deep sense of gratitude. Yes, sir, it is Professor Devagowda, sir, you. Because your training and kind but firm disposal towards your students, it is what that has given us a purpose, a shape, and a direction to our life. And next, not just that, studying under you has leveraged our lives to a very great extent. And you are the person who showed the value of perseverance to us. And more than anything, you showed really the voyage of discovery is not just in seeking new lands, but in seeing with new eyes. So, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. And as I said some time back, I am a sort of collective effort or combined effort of everyone I have known. And I have drawn a lot of inspiration from Professor D. Chandrasekharan, both in form of knowledge sharing as well as moral support. And many gurus have actually contributed to my personality as of today. Professor R.N.S. Gowda, the first VC of KVFSU, Dr. G.B. Puttanaya, who started this IVPI, Dr. B.S.V. Reddy, Dr. Muniyappa, Dr. Muniyallappa, Dr. Halambi, Dr. Shakil Anwar, Dr. Michelle Martin, the list is endless. And all of them have had a sort of affectionate disposal towards me, and they have contributed to my personality in some way or the other. And Dr. late Arvind Bhatt, in whose name today's award has been instituted, he was a PhD student as well as a research assistant in the Department of Political Science when I joined there as a MVSc student. He as well as Dr. Anand Kumar, who was also a research assistant, they were taking so much care of the juniors, and they were actually pressurizing and prodding us to learn and practice the things more and more. So these are the people who molded our lives. And Dr. Harshakumar Shetty, Dr. H.N. Nagbhushan, Dr. Vidyasagar Punja, Dr. Gopal Reddy, Dr. Sushant Rai, Dr. Pattabhiram, and Dr. P.S. Mahesh, Dr. Yadu, Dr. B.P. Manjunath, Dr. Rajshekhar Rao, Dr. Subramanya Bhatt. The list is endless. All these people, I am ever indebted to you for the love and affection you have shown to me. And all the members of the IVPA Executive Committee, present as well as past, have been so considerate to me and so been giving a lot of respect and affection. Sometimes I feel whether I'm worthy of it. And I'd like to place on record here the silent sacrifice made by my family. There are times I have thought I'm not worthy of a wife and kids because I have given them way too less time. And they have, however, taken it in a positive frame of mind. Thank you, my dear better half, Suma, and daughters Anagha and Anvita. I'm also very fortunate to have two very supportive and protective friends, without consulting whom I won't do anything. Thank you, Mr. Narayan and Mr. Vadiraj. I once again thank the IVPA honoring me today with this recognition. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.